Hello my creator, today we are going to make this type of different card. For that we require this type of materials. Let's start the video. First I take A3 size card sheet and convert in 10 by 7 inch. Now once you complete your converting 10 by 7 inch, we are going to cut this circle in the center. For that we have to take out the center first and then we are going to put a circle and draw and cut. For this circle cutting, in the beginning you have to use a little bit cutter work. Afterwards you can cut it with your scissor. Now once you complete this one, take a red color A3 size paper. Again you have to convert this paper in the same size. After converting the same size, you can make a little bit small. So like this, I make it small than the actual size. Now you have to cut this, and now this paper we are going to stick it in a center, but we are going to stick the one part fully and then leave one part we can leave it like this. See, the circle one part we are going to leave it, we are not going to stick that part. Now you have to take A3 size black paper. Here also we require the two same set black paper but in a different way. We are not going to use the joint black paper. See, like this you can cut together, but you have to make it different. In black paper also we are going to cut the little bit smaller size than the actual paper like this. See. Now one we are going to stick inside and the other one we are going to stick outside. But before that we have to cut the circle. This I am going to do a upper black paper. So upper black paper you have to cut it something like this. You have to again mark out the center and then you have to draw a circle, and you are required a little big circle than the actual circle. Like this, here you have to use your rounder. Now afterwards you have to take a piece of paper like this, make it proper crease in a center. Now I am going to draw the butterfly here. I choose the butterfly in a center. You can choose according to your theme. You can choose any heart shape, you can choose a car, cake, whatever you like it. Now afterwards you have to cut. Remember thing, you have again required the same two pieces, not a single one. Once you complete, you have to put your object in a center and check it will be twisting or not. Now, as I told you, we require the two objects. So first, we are going to stick a thread in a center of this butterfly. Like this, we have to apply the Fevicol and we are going to stick the thread. Here I use a simple cotton thread. Whichever thread you have, you can use it. Now this thread we are going to stick it in the center of this circle. So before that I am going to mark out the center line like this, and then only you have to stick a thread in a center. See. Make sure whenever you stick this thread you have to make the thread tight. Don't leave it loose. You have to make it tight. Now on it we are going to stick our black paper. Now once you complete, we are going to complete the front part. In the front part, I am going to use this printed paper also. Before that, I am going to stick this paper. And now first I put this paper in a printed paper and I cut the printed paper in actual size. Then I make it little bit small. Now here I use the corner punch for making a curves corner. Now first I am going to stick the printed paper on the black paper like this, and then I am going to cut the circle. So in this paper I am going to require the same size circle as given in a black paper. Now I am going to put this paper on a front side like this, see. So I can get my big circle also and the actual size also. Now I am going to stick the black paper. So here is your card ready. See, it should be a look like this something. Okay, now the time of the decoration work. So here I have some beads, so I am going to stick these beads here. Inner side also I am going to stick the beads again, but in a different color. Afterwards we are going to decorate our butterfly. So don't forget the butterfly. So first I am going to use this type of white paper for using them and decorating the butterfly. You can use any color paper, even you can go for the printed paper. After I am using of the sketch pen, I am giving a decoration. I hope you like and enjoy this activity. Thank you.